Good day, everybody. This is chapter 14, chapter 12, 13, and 14. Basically, this is a game similar to Galaga. It's called Alien Invasion. So I'll be going over the code, and then I will present my game. Um, so, okay, so basically, it's very long, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. So here you can see we've got all your other little files and stuff. So we always have to import that, make sure everything's linking. Um, so we also use pyaim for this. Pyaim is very important. You need that downloaded. Um, so here at definite, we initialize the game and create the resources. So here we have our info. So this just gets like the display info for the full screen. And then we have game statistics. So this stores everything. We'll go over this later. This goes to our scoreboard, so we can actually just go here. So again, we import things. We create this class. Basically, it keeps track of our scores, the levels up, and all that kind of stuff. The score appears in the center of the screen. Yeah, so that basically just keeps happening. And then we create the fleet. So basically, we're starting the invasion in an active state, or it starts in an inactive state. So here we have our play button. Now, I've programmed the play button. So you press P on your keyboard to play. That is, let's key down events. Here. So here's our elif event statement. So it's an event key, pygame.k underscore p. So this will set play to p on your keyboard. To quit is q, and then basically your arrow keys on your keyboard will move you from left to right. So yeah, okay. So my favorite part about this was adding the sounds. So we use Pygame Mixer for this, very important. This will initialize the sound mixer. So here you can see this is because I have folders. So all my sounds are kept in this folder here. And then basically you just name your sound, what is there. So that links, and you repeat. Here you can adjust your volume as needed. And I've also got a background sound. I found this to be very loud, so I put it down a bit. But this is very cool. I love this a lot. And then basically, here's your running game. So you need to make sure that everything's updating as you're going, whether it be your bullets, the aliens that you're destroying, these are just the keys and stuff. Make sure cursor go invisible when it's over the playing screen. We have a firing bullet system. Adding on to the sound, you need to add in a self.bullet sound play for your sound to actually play. Now you'll see this in a few places. Because here we've got it for the bullets, the game over sound, the explosion sound, and then obviously just the background music, but that's not important. One of my teammates in the groups we were in added bombs to his, so I made the sound code and stuff, and I'm definitely going to add that into my code as well, because it's actually pretty cool. But anyway, that's the sidetracking. Alien collisions, here's another one. The explosion for the alien ship. So once your bullet hits the alien ship and it explodes, it makes a sound. Again, you're updating your screen. Here's where it's drawing the bullets for you to actually fire. Here's your aliens like actually being created with the rows, their height and their width, the rows, so on and so forth. Yeah, so it's really just a lot of code. Also, your aliens, when they hit like the bottom of the screen, they bounce back and stuff. So that's basically what's happening there. And they'll change direction from like left to right. Here's your ship. I think this is the alien ship. Oh no, this is our ship. But this is what happens when it responds to the ship being hit by an alien. Obviously one of your lives gets taken away. We've got 3 lives. Here's another sound. This is the game over sound. It obviously triggers once you've lost all your lives. And that just carries on. Here's where the mouse cursor is invisible. Here's all the buttons, so you'll see like a play button and stuff. Here's our button file. This is basically just creating the button, giving it color, and then like turning a message into a rendered image. And then here we're having the draw blank button and then draw the message. Here's our scoreboard. I went over this. Our game stats. This is just to keep scores and stuff. Your settings to make sure everything works. So here we've got our screen settings. Then the ship settings like the speed, the height, the width. The bullet setting, speed, height, width, color and stuff. And that's basically repeating itself for every other class we have and function. So here's our bullets. In settings you can adjust the size of things. Here's our ship. Here again I've created a folder, so I add this in so it actually links everything. So this is the player's ship. And this is the controls as to where it moves left to right and stuff. Yeah, same here. Again, folder, because I stored them in here just to make this look a bit neater. But again, this is where we set the aliens to move and stuff, so the aliens get controlled. So this is just a very rough going over it. But to show you that it is working, let's go. So here you can see we've got the play button, the alien says your lives, there's you. So I'm gonna click P on my keyboard, it plays. So I don't know why it does this, but like it attacks you first. So pick on your lives and then it works fine. Shoot the bullets, you can adjust the ammunition. But yeah. And then you can hear all the sound effects. Sound effects of the bullets going, and then sound effects of the alien spaceships. So yeah, that's the game, and I really thought this was pretty fun, and I'm going to add in a bunch of other stuff. So let me just click Q, and yeah, that's basically everything. Thank you.